Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got something exciting to share with you today, especially if you're building a digital business or thinking about finally launching that side hustle you've been dreaming of. You know how time-consuming and expensive it can be to create quality content from scratch, right? Whether it's writing eBooks, designing products, or coming up with lead magnets for your email list, it all takes a lot of time, energy, and often money. And let's be real, not everyone has the time to sit and write for hours or the budget to hire top-tier freelancers. That's exactly why I want to talk to you about something called the PLR Powerhouse. This is a resource that I honestly wish I had known about when I started my online journey. Imagine getting instant access to hundreds of premium quality ebooks, already written and formatted, across some of the most in-demand niches out there. And not just that, you also get unrestricted private label rights, which means you can rebrand them, resell them, give them away, use the content in your marketing, or even turn them into full-blown digital courses. You're not just buying content, you're buying freedom to use it however you want with no limitations. Now let me break down what's actually included. Inside this massive bundle, you'll find over 600 professional ebooks across booming niches. We're talking about topics that people are actively searching for every single day. There's a whole set focused on internet marketing that covers everything from traffic generation and email list building to social media strategies and affiliate marketing. These are gold if you're running any kind of digital campaign or teaching others how to. Then there's a huge collection of self-help content filled with mindset tools, productivity hacks, and personal development strategies. This is perfect for coaches, consultants, or anyone who wants to create value-packed content that actually helps people improve their lives. There's also a full library of fitness and health guides, which you can use for wellness blogs, fitness programs, or even to build your own brand in the health space. It doesn't stop there. You also get a large collection of yoga and mindfulness ebooks. This niche continues to grow, and the content here covers everything from yoga poses and meditation practices to holistic living. And if food is more your thing, there's also a full set of cooking ebooks, ranging from simple recipes to more gourmet-style dishes. These are ideal for food bloggers, YouTube cooks, or even if you just want to publish your own recipe book. One of my favorite parts is the section on modern side hustles. These ebooks talk about new ways people are making money online, and that's super helpful if your audience is made up of aspiring entrepreneurs. You could sell this information, teach it, or use it to build your own business too. So, what can you actually do with all this content? A lot more than you might think. You can sell the ebooks individually for quick profits. You can bundle them together to create premium offers or digital product suites. You can offer them as bonuses for affiliate promotions or your own product launches. You can even use them as lead magnets to build and grow your email list, which is a huge strategy for long-term success. But it gets better. You can repurpose the content into blog posts, social media captions, YouTube video scripts, or even use them as the foundation for online courses. You don't need to write a single word yourself. Everything is done for you. And the best part is, there are no royalties, no hidden fees, no monthly subscriptions. Every sale you make is yours to keep, fully and forever. Whether you're just getting started in the digital world or you've already got a business that you're trying to scale, the PLR Powerhouse gives you a serious shortcut. You'll save time, cut costs, and skip the overwhelm that usually comes with product creation. It's a tool, a library, and a business opportunity all in one. So if this sounds like something that could help you level up your digital game, definitely check out the link below. This is a limited time offer, and once it's gone, it may not come back again at this price. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment to let me know what niche you're most excited to dive into. I'll see you in the next one.